Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
Are you a freelancer managing multiple clients, deadlines, and invoices? Let Monday.com do the heavy lifting and help you stay organized. Here's how to turn chaos into clarity. Start with a dedicated client onboarding board. Include contract links, scope, deadlines, and a quick kickoff checklist. You can reuse this as a template for every new client. Use timeline or Gantt views to keep track of deliverables. Organize tasks by project phase, like planning, review, delivery, and automate reminders for due dates. Keep feedback and files in one place. Tag clients in updates, attach drafts, and avoid endless email threads. Create a board to track invoices, amounts, and payment status. You can even integrate with tools like Stripe, QuickBooks, or Xero to automate it all. Build a simple dashboard for clients to monitor project progress without needing updates from you. From onboarding to invoicing, Monday.com helps freelancers manage clients like a pro. Try it out and take control of your workflow. For free trial, click on the link in the description and don't forget to share with your freelancing network.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.